Okay, so kagandahan dito sa Cafe Vicencio, guys, meron din siyang alfresco. So this is their, kumbaga parang ground level naman. So there's this lobby, the second level, and then this one is on the other side siya. I think during the evening. So this is more romantic, this is more parang mas close to the elements like the wind, mga ganyan, no? And I think kahit medyo lumakas yung kwentuhan dito, hindi kayo masyadong constrained. So ayun, this is the place. Right after you order, you go here and yeah, just enjoy the place.
Welcome to Cafe Vicencio!
So ito yun, nasa second floor po tayo dito sa Cafe Vicencio. Ayun, so from here actually, ang ganda ng view. So you have a view of Mount Arayat, which is really, you know, so majestic, para siyang canvas. So dito po meron tayong, you know, the enclosed. Ito yung air condition. Most of the dining tables are here. Meron din siyang alfresco doon. So para naman siyang overlooking balcony.
Yes, siguro mas maganda doon pag gabi, no?
I think so. Lalo na pag bare months, malamig na. So you get a, you know, fresh air flowing with coffee. You know, but during, you know, the summer or any time of the year pag umuulan, yan, mas maganda naman siya dito sa loob. Actually, this is very Instagrammable. Ang ganda ng finishing niya. No?
Ang ganda ng idea nila.
Alright, okay, so let's go down. Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga food. Once again, thank you so much Cafe Vicencio for inviting us. Thank you so much din po for being with us in this video. And speaking of dishes,
yes,
so yung mga nasa table po natin are their menu doon sa kanilang cafe at doon sa KTV. So if you wanna know more in detail kung ano po yung mga menus nila, so message their fan page so that you can request po yung menu or, you know, you can order in advance.
Pero I think yung mga sinerve na nila are already their best sellers, no?
From, you know, just finger food up until yung mga heavy dishes such as mga crispy pata, meron tayo dito. I think this is bulalo. This is gonna be a destination for food exploration.
Sa tingin ko, dito mabubusog yung mata nila, mabubusog yung tiyan nila.
Oh yeah.
And sabi nga nila, these dishes are very affordable.
Speaking of refreshments, this one's biscoff.
This one is matcha.
Matcha. That one's strawberry.
So this one is cascara.
Well, cascara, I believe.
So something new.
This one is beetroot berry hibiscus. Ayan. Okay, so speaking of dishes,
Sa side mo?
Yeah, so on my side, meron tayong chop suey. They have pork barbecue. This one is, so this one is their ala king. Meron din silang stapa, I mean, breakfast, all the breakfast available dito. Yeah, meron tayong sausage, bacon, pancake.
American breakfast.
Breakfast. Filipino naman, syempre, hindi papahuli yan.
Uy.
Kare-kare. And this one is Bicol Express. Ayan. So, ito yung tokot baboy.
Yeah, tokot baboy.
Yes. And so this one's their beef caldereta. This one a sandwich, parang grilled chicken and pesto. Fish fillet. On top, you have like peppers, no? The pampalasa, marami pa.
Kaya nandito yung pansit.
So actually yan, available yan dun sa ating KTV. They can order that one kung dito na sila mag-lunch or mag-dinner. Talagang busog na.
This one is the
crispy
pata. Ako gusto yung crispy pata na kasi nakahiwa-hiwa na siya. Parang hindi nila pinahirapan na kainin.
Stress-free.
So this one is truffle pasta yan. And meron silang pinakbet. Ito yung sikat sa mga ngayon, cafe.
Mozzarella stick, pestocini.
Nachos, yan. At meron tayong fries.
Parang fries overload.
Yes, I think kids will love this one.
Yes. They also have like full-fledged baristas po dito. You can enjoy their coffees.
Meaning, specialty coffee is something na kailangan nilang i-try.
Speaking of i-try, I think it's about time for us to try.
Okay.
Let's try them. Yes. So try natin yung kanilang American style breakfast. But, you know, may mga breakfast meal kasi na we want it every day. I mean, any time of the day. Sa mga nanonood sa atin, no, siguro tanungin natin sila kung kasama po namin kayong kumakain dito. Yan, pa-comment naman po kung ano yung
anong una mong titikman.
At probably ano yung magugustuhan mo. Based from the, just the visual. So, yung mga rice meals nila dito, guys. Like this one, no? Complete meal. No? May rice, may ulam. Nakapakapatok daw sa mga students dito. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa kanilang mga family KTV rooms. So starting at 2,500 pesos, 3,700 up until 5,000 pesos, those are consumable. So kagandahan dito guys, dito sa Magalang, isa sila sa mga nauna at only family KTV room dito po. So you can have your birthdays, yung mga private gatherings or meetings, even meetings, yun po yung pinagkagamitan sa mga ganitong kwarto. Kagandahan nga, yung pagbayad mo dito is all ready to consumable, meaning you're gonna consume, no? While, enjoying, singing your favorite song, diba? So there you have it guys, another place for you to check out. Ito naman po dito sa may San Pablo, Magalang, Pampanga. I think your travel is gonna be worth it.
Yes.
I mean from the place, from the food.
And even their experience. Kasi dito may KTV.
Yes.
So meron na silang time for coffee time. Meron silang view. At eto pa, partner.
Yes.
Meron silang villa.
Oh.
Meron silang villa sa tabi na they can check out, have a stay. Have a stay.
Cafe Vicencio is open po from 10 a.m. up until 12 midnight. So that's a very long operational hours for you to stay. And sabi nga ni Joyce, meron din silang KTV dito.
Yes.
So you can, invite your family, stay there, sing your hearts out, and stay at the staycation.
Yeah. Stay.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next video.
Thank you. Thank you, Cafe Vicencio.
Bye guys.